None of these gurus are actually switching from ChatGPT to Claude because they don't know how, but they're still making videos misleading you. They say go to ChatGPT and export your data and then upload it to a Claude project. Let me show you what happens. These are my ChatGPT conversations from the last 3 years. Click open and look at the message. You may not upload files larger than 31 megabytes. I already knew this, but the fact that they're making these videos and telling people to download their ChatGPT chats, upload them to a Claude project tells me one of 4 things. So let's say they did come to Claude and they were able to upload their conversations. That means that they were not a ChatGPT power user. If they were a ChatGPT power user, their conversations would be as large as mine. To have a file size that's 30 megabytes or lower means that you've only been using ChatGPT for a couple of months at the most. And if they truly are AI experts and they've been using ChatGPT for the last 3 years, then they would have known that their conversations.json file was too large to upload to projects. Yet they chose to make a video and tell you to upload it to Claude projects, knowing that you couldn't do it. Or they were just counting on the small number of people who've only been using ChatGPT for a couple of months who are able to upload their chats to a Claude project to give them some plausible deniability because, hey, there are a couple of hundred people who can actually do it. But the reality is millions of people have been using ChatGPT for 2 years or more who have massive conversation files you cannot upload directly to a Claude project. And the third conclusion is very simple. If they were actually switching from ChatGPT to Claude as their primary platform, like a lot of us are, then they would have ran into these different scenarios and they would have discovered this and it would have been reflected in their content. But I can tell by their videos that they don't know what they're talking about. And again, I'm not talking about the people who say go to Anthropic and copy their prompt and paste it inside of ChatGPT to get your memories and your preferences. I'm talking about the people who are telling you that you can save your entire chat history by downloading your data and then uploading it to a Claude project. That will not work for most people, and it's only going to work for people who just started using ChatGPT, who probably don't care about switching over to Claude anyways. And that leads me to a fourth conclusion. If they don't know that you can't upload files larger than 31 megabytes to a Claude project, and if they don't understand which file is actually your ChatGPT conversations and how large that file is going to be after 2 to 3 years of conversations, and if they don't understand that you can't upload that one convoluted file to Claude and expect Claude to make any sense of that, then it makes me wonder why they're even making the videos if they're not going to provide an actual solution. Because there are thousands, if not tens of thousands of people who've seen these videos and more who are going to see them, and they're going to be frustrated because nothing they say is going to work. But now let me show you the real way to actually upload all of your ChatGPT conversations from the last 3 years into your Claude account. The first thing you want to do is sign up for a paid Claude account so you can use Opus 4.6 and Cowork for what we're about to do. I personally like to use Cowork because it can do a lot of different operations in parallel. So I always come over here, but we're going to look for the file that says conversations.json. I found it right here. I'm going to press enter and upload that. And all I'm going to say is organize my chats, and that is going to activate a Claude skill I created that opens up this JSON file, which is like a suitcase that's zip tight with all types of clothing in there, and every article of clothing, every sock, every pair of pants, every shirt is a different conversation you've had with ChatGPT over the years. And what this is going to do is open it up and separate everything so that you can make sense of it. Number one, it's going to organize your chats by date, and number two, is going to organize your chats by theme, custom GPTs, projects, and other items. So here you can see that these conversations go all the way back to December of 2022, and then they pick up at January 2023 because they go by month and year. And then I have my custom GPTs as well as a list of projects. And if I open one up like Agent Protocol Builder, which is Agent Builder Protocol, I can see the conversations that are in that actual folder inside of ChatGPT. And if you're actually moving over to Claude and you want to bring all 3 years of your ChatGPT conversations in a meaningful way like this, then make sure you use the link in the description to download this Claude skill. And this is the only way to actually bring your ChatGPT chats over to Claude. And if you want, you could tell Claude Cowork to execute this prompt on each month of conversations that you've brought over from ChatGPT, and then to create a special folder with each of those memories saved, and then to make one final move and compile them all into this master document. And then you upload that to a Claude project, and you will have the most relevant, the most pertinent information from all of your ChatGPT conversations from the last 3 years inside of a single Claude project. Now, it might take Claude some time to do it, but the great thing about Claude Cowork is that you can give it a task to do like this, and then you can walk away. You can go to the grocery store, you can watch Netflix, you can go exercise, and then you come back in an hour and it's done. So hopefully you haven't seen one of those videos telling you that you could upload your file to ChatGPT and you try and then you were frustrated. But if you have and you've seen this video, I hope that you go ahead, download the Claude skill, because you're going to be able to finally upload your chats to Claude and pick up where you left off without starting over. And if you still have questions about how this all works, then make sure you check out this video right here.